Okay, you guys, welcome back to Monster Alert to Join. Today we're in a fight below again. I got the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Power Smashers Rhinomite, which is really, I love the Power Smasher series. This is really cool. Here's the packaging, guys. I love the lightning bolts on the plastic, which is nice. Background. There's a back Mega Rex, Bigfoot, Gungster. There's a Rhinomite and Tiger Shark and Scalosaurus. Name, Rhinomite, truck type creature, strength, explosive and electric, crash attack, glow and blast, Rhinomite. It looks red on the render for some reason, I don't know why. So, further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing. Ooh, okay, so here's a clear crush card. I don't care about the cards, but I love this clear one, which is nice. Let's get to the truck itself now. Look at how nice this is, guys. I love the detail on this thing. Rhinomite, the lightning on the body. They should make the lightning globe and cool. Orange tires, clear rims and beadlocks, a clear roll cage, like a clear blue undercarriage. 68 on the back. The front of Rhinomite, which is nice. Sorry about that. I don't know what's wrong with this thing. Pretty cool. 68 Rhinomite with a little dynamite stick. That's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share more unboxings coming soon. Peace out, and hope you all enjoyed.